Intricately weaved Banarasi pure handloom Kora organza, weaved in 4-ply material of Kora, very high quality, premium quality, with the 1 silver and 1 gold lehariya design. On these rang cut is done. Rang cut dye means multicolored dye is done with the rich pallu, the satin patta border on the whole sari. Booties will come on the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with the same border as the sari. You can see 1 silver and 1 gold booties. The whole sari have this lehariya pattern, rang cut dye till pleats, and before pleats it's like this. Kadwa weaved booties, small booties with the border, satin patta border. This is the before pleats, and after pleats we will get this rang cut dye. Lovely sarees. Banarsi pure handloom Kora organza silk marked certified, weaved in pure silver and gold zari with the 4-ply fabric, very high quality, premium quality sari. This is the satin patta border with the rang cut dye and 1 lehariya in silver and 1 in golden zari. Dual zari are used with the rich pallu. This is the look of the sari with the half sari till pleats, lehariya pattern rang cut, and half in powder blue with sky blue border. Kadwa weaved booties, no backside threads. This is the half sari with the blouse, same kadwa weaved booties and border. This is the blouse piece. This comes the blouse piece. Banarsi pure handloom Kora organza silk marked certified, beautiful sari weaved in silver and golden zari in lehariya pattern. Rang cut dye is done in 3 colors. The rich pallu, blouse piece in kadwa weaved booties, in 1 silver and 1 gold booties on the blouse with the same satin patta border. This is the blouse piece, the rich pallu, and half sari comes in lehariya pattern in rang cut dye, and half in baby pink with the kadwa weaved booties and border. Banarsi pure handloom Kora organza silk marked certified, weaved in beautiful silver and golden premium quality zari. 4-ply sari weaved in rang cut dye, silk marked certified. The rich pallu, the blouse piece is in kadwa weaved booties of silver and gold with the same satin patta border on the blouse. This is the look of the sari with the rang cut before pleats. This is the shade with the kadwa weaved booty. Banarsi pure handloom Kora organza silk marked certified, weaved in golden and silver zari lehariya pattern with the rang cut dye of lavender, light lavender, dark lavender and mehndi green. The border silk mark certified. The rich pallu, blouse piece in booties and border. This is the blouse piece. Half sari is in lehariya rang cut and half sari is in before pleats. It's in plain light lavender with the dark lavender border with the kadwa weaved booties. Fully kadwa weaved sari, premium quality.